Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manpreet from Career Talks. I'm again here to answer your all queries regarding German studies. If you want to apply in German public universities, then how you can apply, what is the requirement, which exams you have to clear, how you apply for student colleague, what is Aufnahmeprüfung, how you apply in private universities, how you apply in Ausbildung, how you apply in nursing jobs. Whatever you want to know regarding German studies, please write down your queries in a comment. Hello Jitendra sir. Okay, what is the benefits of doing MD from Germany? See, if you want to do MD from Germany, first of all, MD is completely free of cost from Germany, and the requirement is only German language. And it's not like you have to study, you have to take admissions in any universities for MD studies. You just have to clear the license exam and start work in the German hospitals according to specialization, according to that experience to get the option to complete your MD certificate. So, and also focus on the German medical courses. What's the benefit of that? If you're looking for like MBBS after 12th, so here MBBS is out of budget sometimes. The donations are up to 1 CR. So if you plan to do Germany MBBS, then only the need of 12th marks more than 90%, and if you have a dream of to become a doctor, then I'm sure your percentage more than 90%. And also there's a use of need of German language, and after that your MBBS free of cost, your MD is free of cost. Yes, there's a bridge to enter the universities for MBBS, but this MBBS is completely free of cost, and it's worth to study in German public top universities free of cost. Only the demand is German language, so it's not a big deal. Try to focus on the German language and plan to enter the German universities to fulfill your dreams. How many years are the validity of German language exam certificate? German language certificates never expired yet. Like IELTS expired in 2 years, but German language certificates never expire. Goethe certificates are still valid till you not enter the university, then you can use it anytime. It's never expired. Is MBBS from China accepted in Germany? Yeah, sure. There is no need to be worried if you've done MBBS from anywhere. Your all MBBS are accepted, but yes, MCI exam is mandatory to apply for the Germany MD courses. What is the cost of living in Germany? Can I earn that much with my studies? Yeah, of course. If you plan to study in German public universities, then Germany gives a part-time job options, and with the help of that part-time job options, you have enough amount to refill your pocket to sponsor yours. So there is no need to disturb your parents again once you reach Germany for the funds. And that's the practical words of my students. Thank you for your suggestions. Always welcome, sir. Which are the main intakes to German public universities? Dear, for German public university, there are two intakes, September intake and March intake. So if you plan to apply right now for German public studies, then you have the option to enter in the September intake. Right now, registrations are open, but the countdown is begin for September 2022 intake for public universities. Either you plan for a master's, or if you plan for a bachelor, then student colleague September 2020 intake is the option. Hello everyone. Hi Ajay. Hello Rohit. Can we do MBBS from private universities? No. Private MBBS is not possible in private universities in English language. Only MCORE student colleague is possible. But yes, public universities, MBBS is possible only in public universities, not possible in private universities. Sorry. What type of part-time jobs in Germany? In Germany, part-time jobs, you can say that like hospitality jobs, like bookstore shops like Amazon, and also in libraries, in universities, under professors, under as assistants. What is what is better, Ausbildung or graduation, ma'am? It's good if you choose Ausbildung program. If you've done your 12th, then choose the Ausbildung program. And when you start the Ausbildung program, the only requirement is German language. There is no need of block account. And after B2 level, you enter the Germany for your Ausbildung program. And on the Starting, you start practicing, and it's a paid internship. From the first month you start earning. Is B1 level compulsory from India for nursing? Yes, of course. Your B1 is mandatory and also B2 is mandatory. But for offer letter, is B1 is the requirement and B2 is optional. You can do from your home country, or either you can do from Germany, with a parallel with your jobs. It's optional. But it's good if you do from a B2 from India also. Because in Germany language is costly. Is block account needed for hospital? No, there is no need to show funds for hospital program. After completing B2 level, and also if you complete 12th, then you have a direct option to enter in Germany with the help of hospital visa. Ma'am, how much does it cost in German public universities for the masters, MBA or MS? For public universities, their degree is completely free of cost. Only the requirement is German language. If you plan to study in public universities, try to focus on German language. A1, A2, B1 from India and B2, C1 from Germany. After completing C1, you are in the public universities according to desired course, completely free. Can we do B1 from Germany? Yeah, of course. B1 is optional. You can do from Germany or India, no worries. But yes, A1, A2 is mandatory from India. We have to show A2 certificate, Goethe certificate in embassy file. So it's good if you complete A2 from here. Hello dear. India experience is mandatory to apply in German universities. Not mandatory. If you are fresher, you are eligible to apply in German universities. No need to be worried. Yeah, if you have experience, it increase your credits. But if you are fresher, no need to be worried. You are eligible to apply in German public universities or private also. How much experience is needed after GNM for work permit? How much experience needed? We have both options. If you are experienced, then we need at least 2 years of experience, and if you are fresher after GNM, still we have option to apply for your offer letter from German hospitals. No need to be worried. If you complete your GNM without experience, we also have options, and with experience, we also have options. In both cases, you are eligible. Shown in a block account for public universities for masters, for living in there. It depends on the euros rate right now. Roughly, in Indian currency, 9.5 lakh to 10 lakh you have to block in your block account, and monthly 80,000 you are allowed to withdraw for your living cost. Is there an option to skip student click for MBBS? Sorry, no. For MBBS, student click is mandatory, and MCO student click is only possible from the German student click institutes. And I always guide according to my experience. Then if you done your 12th with PCB, then always try to choose the private student click option. It's a good option. There is no headache of a mathematics, and we have an option to study the student colleague of M course without mathematics, but it's a private option. But after that, there's an option to study MBBS completely free of cost. Okay, I'm getting lots of queries. Ma'am, yesterday I asked for MSc in medical physics program. Okay, MSc in medical physics program, still I have to check again. I forget your query. Give me a time, and please remind me on WhatsApp. Then when I get the option, I give you a green signal for that. How much we easily earn in part-time job? Around 60 to 70,000 monthly students easily earn in part-time job. Or if you are not in a mood to do 20 hours part-time job in a week, then I'll try to choose only 10 hours. Then 400 euros you can easily earn in a monthly from part-time jobs. Is MBA available in German public universities? Yes, but you have no option to choose like MBA. You have to choose like masters according to your specialization, like masters in finance, masters in management, masters in marketing. According to your specialization, when you choose the masters option, then you get the options in public universities in German program. What is the cost of living in Germany? You can say that roughly amount as a student 50,000 monthly is enough for the criteria for what? For MBA admissions for German public universities. There's a need of German language. When you learn German language up to C1 level, then you have option to enter in the German public universities for your desired course in German language. A1, A2, B1 from India, and do B2 and C1 from Germany. B1 is optional if you do from Germany or from India, it depends on your pocket. But yes, A1, A2 mandatory from India, and B1, B2 I always suggest do from Germany, because these are the higher levels and country makes your base stronger. Okay, then again queries. Okay, done. Ravinder Bishnoi, I'm not accepting your live video request. Sorry, because if you want a face-to-face meeting, then I'm live at 5 p.m. on Zoom meeting. So tomorrow, join our Zoom session at 5 p.m. Ma'am, what do you think? MBA or MSW more job opportunity in Germany if you do masters in Germany itself? There, if you choose any course from Germany, all courses have a lots of scopes in Germany. This is a specialty of Germany. You choose any course, every course has a scope in Germany. So there is no need to be worried you are choosing this course or this course having scope or not. You choose any course, all courses are in demand in Germany. Just focus on your passion and choose the course according to your desire. Which university is more convenient? For what? Public university name is enough in a job market. No need to be worried at all. Only the focus in German language. Okay. I'm getting lots of requests for live videos, but I'm not giving a permission. If you want to communicate with me, you want a live video session, then I'm live at 5 p.m. on Zoom meeting. Try to connect me on Zoom meeting at 5 p.m. Link is in the bio. So daily at 5 p.m. Zoom meeting and 5:30 Insta live. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.